Are you ready to transform your backyard into a vibrant salad garden? Growing fresh greens reconnects you with nature and boosts your family's nutrition. Salad gardening isn't just about growing food, it's about education and sustainability. Kids learn where food comes from, valuable life skills, and healthier eating choices. The benefits include reducing grocery bills, knowing your food source, and controlling pesticides. You can create a fun family activity while teaching environmental stewardship. Whether you have a backyard or a balcony, growing salad ingredients is accessible and rewarding. Start with easy-to-grow veggies like lettuce, radishes, spinach, and cherry tomatoes, which thrive in small spaces and require minimal effort. Herbs like basil, cilantro, and mint add nutrition and flavor. Edible flowers like nasturtiums, calendula, and violets elevate your salads with colors and unique tastes. Don't forget fruits. Gooseberries, strawberries, and blueberries add sweetness to your salads. Start your salad garden today and experience the many benefits of growing your own food. Our top tip is to involve kids in every step: planting, watering, and harvesting.